In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace in a desktop browser and that you have access to the HubSpot account you want to connect. Having the right permissions in both tools will make the process smooth. If your company manages apps centrally, you may also need admin approval to finish the connection. Start by heading to clickup.com and open your workspace. Once you're in, look to the bottom of the interface for the small waffle icon, the grid-style button that opens ClickUp's app menu. It's typically in the lower corner of the screen. Click that to expand your options. From the menu that appears, select Apps. This is ClickUp's catalog of integrations and add-ons. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of available apps. Once it's open, scroll through the list and look for HubSpot. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the apps page and type HubSpot to jump directly to it. You're looking for the official HubSpot listing, which includes details about what the integration can do. Click on HubSpot to open the integrations details page. Here you'll usually find a short overview of how the connection works, commonly syncing or linking tasks, deals, or tickets between platforms, along with notes about permissions. Take a moment to glance through this so you know what data will be shared and what features you'll unlock once connected. When you're ready, click Connect. This will redirect you to HubSpot, where you may be prompted to sign in if you aren't already. Next, choose the correct HubSpot account or workspace. Then review the permissions requested by ClickUp. These permissions allow the two systems to securely exchange the necessary information. Confirm the authorization to proceed. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them to ensure the authorization window appears. After approving, you'll be routed back to ClickUp. You should see a confirmation that HubSpot is now connected, or you'll find HubSpot listed under your connected apps. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. From here, you can begin using the integration features that appear in your tasks or within the HubSpot panel in ClickUp, depending on your plan and workspace settings. If something doesn't work, double-check your permissions in both tools, ensure you selected the correct HubSpot account, and try reconnecting. Clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window can also help resolve authorization hiccups. That's it. Your ClickUp workspace is now integrated with HubSpot CRM.